The 100 uses a 5-ball floating system, where if no balls are floating, your coolant is unsafe. If one ball floats, you're safe to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. If 2 balls float, you're safe to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. If 3 balls float, you're safe to -5 degrees Fahrenheit. If 4 balls float, you're safe to -25 degrees Fahrenheit. And if all 5 balls float, you're safe to -50 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin by undoing the coolant reservoir cap. Next, insert the probe tube into the tank and squeeze the bulb to draw fluid. Bend the tube above the fluid line for an accurate reading. Once you've made your reading, empty the fluid back into the tank. Finish by reapplying the cap securely. Thank you very much.